Lost contacts on your OnePlus phone? It can happen after updates, bugs, or restarts. In this video, we'll show 5 practical ways to restore deleted contacts using Google Cloud backups and your device. Number 1. How to restore deleted contacts on OnePlus without backup. Expert Mobican Doctor for Android can recover deleted OnePlus contacts without a backup. Scanning internal storage, even finding data standard methods miss. User Manual. Step 1. Root your OnePlus and enable USB debugging. Step 2. Connect it to the computer, open the tool, select Contacts, and click Next to start scanning. Step 3. When the scan finishes, all deleted contacts will appear in the right-hand window. Select the ones you wish to recover and click the Recover button to restore them to your computer. Number 2. How to get deleted contacts back in OnePlus using OnePlus Cloud. Connect to Wi-Fi and open Settings. Sign into OnePlus Cloud and enable Contacts Sync. Go to Backup and Restore. Select an old backup. Tap Restore Contacts and confirm in the Contacts app. Number 3. How to restore permanently deleted contacts from OnePlus via Google Backup. Open Settings, Google Backup, and Restore. Tap Restore Contacts and select your Google account. Choose a device backup and contacts source storage SIM. Tap Restore and wait for confirmation. Number 4. How to retrieve deleted contacts on OnePlus via Google Contacts Trash. Open Google Contacts and sign in. Go to Trash or Bin and select Deleted Contacts. Click Recover. Sync your Google account on OnePlus to restore them. Number 5. How to recover deleted contacts on OnePlus with undo changes. Open Google Contacts in a web browser. Click Settings, Undo Changes. Choose a restore point, for example, 10 minutes ago, yesterday, or 1 week ago. Confirm the restoration. Allow your OnePlus phone to sync with Google again.